In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete connected apps from your YouTube account. If this helps you, don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up YouTube and we're going to tap on You at the bottom right. Once you select You, you're going to tap on Google account right here at the top. As you can see right here, you're going to have different options right above your email account. You're going to tap on Security. Now you simply have to scroll down until you find your connections to third-party apps and services. You're going to select See All Connections, and here YouTube is going to show you which apps you have linked to your YouTube account. So for example, I have different apps like Pinterest, TikTok, and Grammarly. All you need to do is select the app that you wish to delete, and then at the bottom simply tap Delete all connections you have with Grammarly, and then you can confirm your action, and that's it. As you can see at the bottom, my Grammarly is no longer connected to my YouTube account. Hope that helped.